Odoo Community versus Odoo Enterprise. Odoo ERP is one of the most flexible, easy-to-use, and scalable software out there. In the current times, Odoo software is the fastest-growing ERP solution across the globe, and it is a perfect fit for all size companies. You can find every possible business management solution including sales, purchase, inventory, website, invoicing, manufacturing, project, accounting, e-commerce, point of sale, field service, and so on. Odoo comes in two editions. First one is Odoo Community, and the second one is Odoo Enterprise. Both the Odoo editions offer robust Odoo solutions and help businesses to grow faster. Moreover, this software ensures that businesses can utilize all the features and functionalities effectively by providing a faster and easier user interface. Odoo Community and Enterprise editions are quite different from each other in terms of features, prices, and support services. Let's have a look into those differences. Odoo Community versus Odoo Enterprise. Odoo Community is a completely open-source Odoo edition. Odoo Enterprise is a proprietary edition of Odoo ERP software. It is a free edition. One does not have to pay the license fee. It is a paid version. Businesses need to pay a license fee to use it. Odoo Community offers the standard ERP solutions like sales CRM, purchase, invoicing, manufacturing, e-commerce, etc. Odoo Enterprise comprises community modules with additional modules like sign, data cleaning, studio, subscription, online appointment, and more. Community Edition is the best fit for startups, small and medium-sized companies. Odoo Enterprise is more suitable for medium and large-scale enterprises. Odoo Community users can only use the self-hosting option. In Enterprise Edition, you will get multiple hosting options like self-hosting, Odoo.sh, cloud hosting, and Odoo Online. No additional Odoo apps included in Odoo Community Edition, such as shipping connector, barcode integration, VoIP connector, etc. Enterprise Edition comes with Odoo add-ons like e-commerce connectors, shipping connectors, barcode integration, VoIP, and more. Odoo Community does not offer support for bug fixes and upgrades from Odoo SA. Odoo Enterprise users get unlimited support for bug fixes, upgrades, and cloud hosting from Odoo SA. Odoo offers the best ERP software for all size companies. As you have understood the difference between Odoo Community and Odoo Enterprise Edition, now it is easy to choose the best edition for your business.
For more info on Odoo, visit our website www.o2btechnologies.com or contact us at info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a silver partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.